This might be the boldest summer shades Manucurist has launched lately. They are part of the new Electric Feel Collection, and honestly I couldn't wait to try them. This collection includes 3 vibrant summer shades: Halo, Groove and Bloom. For today's manicure I chose Halo, but before starting the full green system manicure, I wanted to quickly show you how the other 2 shades looks on the nails. Here is Bloom, a vibrant neon pink that instantly brings summer energy. And here is Groove, a magnetic green shimmer that looks so unique and eye-catching. They're both gorgeous, but Halo is definitely the shade I wanted to wear today, so let's get started. My nails are already shaped and prepared, so let's jump straight into the manicure. For the first step in this green system manicure, I need to degrease the nails. I'm using a cotton pad with nail prep, which removes any traces of cream, oil or impurities from the nail surface. This step is important because it helps the manicure last longer. Before applying any color, I always start with the base coat. Today I'm using the fortifying base coat. It helps protect the natural nails, improves wear time, and creates a smooth surface for color application. I apply a thin layer to all my nails and make sure to cap the free edges. Since this is part of the green range, everything air dries naturally, so there is no LED lamp needed. Now it's time for the color, and let me show you how Halo looks. It's such a beautiful soft luminous cool pink with a glazed finish that catches the light beautifully. For this tutorial, I applied 2 thin coats for a more intense color. If you prefer a softer, more natural and translucent look, you can apply just 1 coat. I apply the first thin coat and let it dry. Then I go in with a second layer to build a little more intensity. What I love most about this shade is that it looks fresh and delicate while still having that beautiful luminous finish that makes the manicure feel a little more elevated. Once the color is completely dry, it's time for the sunshine top coat. With the top coat, I like to apply a slightly more generous amount, just enough to cover the nail evenly and lock in the color. I also make sure to cap the free edges. The top coat adds extra shine and helps the manicure last longer. For the final step, I apply drying drops. I place 2 drops on each nail and let them spread naturally over the surface. They help speed up the drying process while also nourishing the nails and cuticles. Then I simply let everything dry completely for about 10 to 15 minutes. Since there are several layers in this manicure, I try to not do anything during that time to avoid ruining the final result. Once everything is completely dry, I apply hand cream. I love this final step because it instantly makes the hands look more polished and hydrated. The texture is lightweight, absorbs quickly and never feels greasy. And here is the final result: a luminous cool pink manicure with the prettiest glazed finish. Fresh, fun, elegant, and my go-to color for summer. If you'd like to try Manucurist, or if you are curious about the new Electric Feel Collection, you can save 15% automatically at Manucurist US, UK and Europe when you shop through my links below. No code needed. Europe is now available too. Just choose your location and the appropriate link in the description, and the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Everything I used in this video is linked in the description. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments which shade is your favorite, Halo, Groove or Bloom. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!